Dogs, what's up? Today we're learning about crypto.com. It's another cryptocurrency app. They go through a KYC process, so it's pretty easy. This is the KYC. You enter your legal name. We'll say Carmen Yaslow, something goofy. Upload a driver's license. Take a picture of a license. Then you do an identity card. Take a picture of an identity card. And then it goes to the next step. Pretty easy for the verifications, but I'll shoot over to my other phone where you can see that I already have the app. Everything's uploaded, and I'll show you my account. All right, guys, we're on the crypto.com app. This one is just another, not hardware. Yeah, it would be a hardware wallet. So basically you just download these and it's just a simple wallet. It just kind of tells you how to use the app. It's really easy to use, man. So you get in this app. They have different features, different things. It's really unique. It's really cool. So you can go under their cards, or this is your card account. So this is just like a breakdown of the account. So you can get different credit cards. They have different tiered rates. Here's the current one that I have. So this is the Visa card. Basically, it's an account. You can freeze it, keep people from using it. You can reset the PIN. Just has your card there. This is the free one they give out. So they have other tiered rates that have more interest and different things. So here's where you can trade cryptocurrencies. These are just a couple I'm looking at right now, and just watching them, just see when they're going. But it's really easy to buy. After you link your bank account or you put in your debit card or even a credit card, sometimes they'll run specials where they'll allow you to buy cryptocurrencies or add on currencies for free. It won't charge you to do it. No fees, just whatever the exchange is, and that's it. So you just hit buy BNB. I link 2 debit cards, and that's it. You can just buy some BNB, or you can buy other cryptocurrencies. You can use your own crypto wallet. So like I can use my other tokens, like my other Bitcoin, my other crypto.com to buy other cryptos, or I can just go straight to my fiat wallet. And to add a new cryptocurrency, I just have to do a straight wire transfer from my bank, or I can just transfer cryptos in here. So it's a very flexible app, very easy to use. They also have a very good referral program. It used to be $50 a head. So if you refer someone over, you get $50. Well, each of you, so your friend and you would get it. But now it's only 25. They've changed it. So this already went through the verification. This basically shows different features of the wallet. Let's see, here it is. So this is your fees and limits. These are the different fees and limits you should know about. So like right now to withdraw BTC from here, it's 0.0004. On other exchanges like Binance, it's 0.0001. But Binance, it's a little more advanced. So crypto.com, it's really easy to use and it's not as advanced. So I'll do another video on Binance if you're not new to cryptocurrency and understand it a little more. It's nice to get on it. But yeah, here's the different withdrawal fees, like $20 for engine, or 20 engine tokens to withdraw, and engines are like 13 cents right now. So that would put you at $3 just about, or a little over $3 for any withdrawal. So that's why it's kind of, you can leave them on the platform and you don't have to withdraw it and you won't be charged those fees. So you can go to here, which is your, where is it? Right here. So you hit buy and it'll take you to the trade platform, and here's a couple of cryptocurrencies you can buy. And if you're looking for a certain token, you just hit the search bar, type in whatever you're looking for. Let's say engine, ENJ, which is the ticker symbol for it, basically in cryptocurrencies. And you can buy a couple cryptocurrencies like that. The main thing what's cool about this is you have different, it's loading, sorry. You have different wallets. So this is your crypto wallet. This tells you what you got in there. You also have your crypto earn wallet. This is pretty cool. So depending on how much CRO or which credit card you own, you can earn different rates. So we're going to add in some more cryptos. So say for CRO, look at this, 2%, 4%, or 6%. This is for a 1 month term, flexible terms, or a 3 month term. I mean, it's not bad. It's not great. They have a little better on the stable coins. So let's do USDC. Trying to type it in. Here we go. So USDC, you see, is 6%, 8%, 10%. That's pretty good for a stable coin. They have other accounts like BlockFi. I'll do another video on how to do that. It's pretty easy to do. But 6%, 8%, and 10%, it's really not that bad. That's actually pretty good. So that's yearly interest. So say you put in $1,000, you're going to be basically getting $60, $80, or $100 every year with that interest. So here's the earnings I've earned just for like the past 2 or 3 months, and it's $100. It's nice. I mean, it's just free, just for holding money in there. I was going to hold it anyways. So Bitcoin's getting 6.5%, which is crazy. Well, that's with a 25,000 CRO stake. So this is 2,500 or less. I have 2,500 in here, so I currently have a little higher rate. So 2,500 or less is basically going to give you 6% at crypto.com, 4.5 on Bitcoin, 10% on USD, 2% on Engine, 4.5 on Ethereum. And you guys can kind of see the rates. You can play around with them. But now this is where the big kicker comes in. So when you add more CRO, all these rates increase. So now it's 12%, 3%, 6.5%. So that's the incentive for staking and holding CRO. It's a currency on their platform. So currently it's trading at 6 cents. And it can go up, it can go down. I'm not a financial advisor. It is a good platform. They have several million users. They're growing at tremendous rates. They have different features. It's a very easy to use. Here's like a transaction history. With the crypto.com app, I mean, it's easy. So when people are going on Google and they're looking how to buy cryptos, they're going to type in how to buy cryptocurrency or what's this, and crypto.com pulls up. It has really good SEO rankings. If you go under their accounts, I want to try to find the feature where it talks about the different MCO Visa card rewards and benefits. So here, this is pretty crazy. It's hard to see. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see if you stake 2,500 CRO. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Is that 2,500? Yeah, that's 2,500,000 CRO. I'm sorry. That's for the black card. So it sounds like a lot of CRO, but right now it's at 6 cents. So 2512312 times 0.06. It's going to be $150,000. So now that's for intense staking. That's going to be getting you something that's just like ridiculous. You'll be getting free Amazon Prime, free Netflix, free Spotify, free Expedia. Basically, they're just going to be paying you to keep this card. I mean, you get 8% cash back. That's unheard of. It's crazy, but you're paying a lot. So then you also have the 250,000 CRO, which is a little more reasonable. It can be purchased, but it's still pretty high. But you get a lot of benefits. So you get 5%, 100% Spotify, 100% of your Netflix covered, Amazon Prime, Expedia. So even cash back on Airbnb, which is pretty cool. So it's pretty cool about that. So this is probably more amicable as like 25,000 CRO and 2,500 CRO. Those are pretty good. So you can also get like 2,500 staked, and those are pretty good rates too. You get 2% cash back. you get Spotify for free. I don't really know who uses Spotify, but if you do, hey, it's free. So you can't beat it. I mean, 2,500 CRO right now, it's probably going to cost you like 200 bucks or 300 bucks. It's really not that bad. So yeah, not a bad platform. Good platform for someone trying to get started in cryptocurrencies. This is where you can put in support tickets. I mean, they're pretty quick about responding. They don't answer phones. They don't have a phone line to call. But yeah, it's really simple, really easy. I'll put a link in the description for a referral code. You can go there, create a wallet. You'll get a $25 referral bonus. If you guys have any questions about it or need help with it, you can leave a comment in the description. I'll help you with it. So yeah, please like and subscribe. I'll be making more cryptocurrencies videos so you guys can learn how to be your own banker. Thanks for watching.